Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to configure the single agent layout in the WhatsApp ChatHelp plugin. To use this layout, simply select Single Agent from the floating chat layout options. The single agent layout displays a chat bubble with a support agent profile and a button that allows visitors to start a WhatsApp conversation. As we go through the settings, we'll update the configuration in the backend and then look at the front-end preview to see how each change affects the chat widget. Let's start with the general settings. The first option is WhatsApp type. If we select Number, visitors will start a direct conversation with the WhatsApp number we provide. Simply enter the number in international format. Now, if we switch this to Group, the chat button will instead redirect visitors to join a WhatsApp group using the invite link. Let's keep Number option selected for this demo. Next is the Current Time option. When enabled, the chat bubble will display the current time before agent message. Below that, we have Message from Agent. This is the welcome message visitors see when the chat bubble opens. You can customize this text to greet visitors or guide them before they start the conversation. You can also use dynamic variables like the site title or current page title to personalize the message automatically. Next is the pre-filled message. This message will automatically appear inside WhatsApp when the visitor clicks the Send Message button. For example, you can include the current page title so the visitor's message already contains information about the page they are viewing. This makes it easier for you to understand the visitor's question right away. You can also use other available variables to include useful details automatically. Next, we have the availability settings. First, select the correct time zone, then define the days and time range when the agent is available. This helps set expectations for when visitors can receive a reply. Now let's move to header and footer settings. This section controls the information displayed at the top of the chat box. You can upload a custom agent photo by selecting Custom, set the agent name, and add a subtitle, such as the typical response time. These elements help make the chat interface feel more personal and trustworthy. Below that is the GDPR compliance option. When enabled, visitors will see a privacy notice before starting the conversation. You can customize this message to match your website's privacy policy. You can also change the Send Message button label shown inside the chat box. Next, open the button settings. This section controls how the floating chat button appears on your website. If we choose Icon button, a circular icon will appear on the page. Here, you can customize the icon style, button size, colors, hover colors, tooltip text, and the position of the button on the screen. Now let's switch to the simple button style. This option displays both an icon and a text label, such as "How may I help you?" You can customize the label text, icon, colors, borders, padding, and tooltip settings to match your website design. Next, open the Style settings. Here we control the appearance and behavior of the chat bubble. You can enable Auto Open Pop-up, which automatically opens the chat bubble after a delay. You can also choose the animation effect used when the chat appears. The Bubble Layout mode controls the visual theme of the chat interface. You can also adjust the primary and secondary colors so the chat widget matches your website branding. Typography settings allow you to choose the font used inside the chat box. Now let's look at the Others section. Here, you can control where the chat widget appears on your website. You can control device visibility, allowing the chat to appear on desktop, tablet, or mobile devices. You can also display it everywhere or limit it to specific pages. Finally, we have the Backup section. Here, you can export your current ChatHelp configuration and download it as a backup file. You can also import saved settings later, which is useful when moving your configuration to another website. After making your changes, click Save Settings. Now, when we open the website front end, we can see the single agent chat widget with the agent profile, welcome message, and WhatsApp button ready for visitors to start a conversation.